Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Japanese chicken nugget from McDonald's.
That's good. I get the little Yahmean with the dip into the Yahmean. And get a little bit of that rice on there. I had to request some more of that Yahmean. I'm gonna just go ahead and just. It's that good. Dog, what you doing? You got some premium meats over there still on that plate.
I am done, thank you.
Yeah, you bet not. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Better not be letting none of them pop no egg pieces and chicken in your mouth, dog. Nah, dog. I'm the only motherfucker that's going on around. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like its color. It tastes. When you think of that color and you think about whatever that color would taste like, that's what that tastes like.